At some point in your reading, you may have come upon a word you didn't know. The word may have sounded familiar. Its meaning, however, was a complete mystery. Well, join the crowd. It happens to the best of us. In order to understand a word, you may have tried to use your dictionary. Often, however, a dictionary is not handy. You also may have tried staring hard at the word while repeating it. Some readers seem to think this helps them determine the meaning of the word. All it does for most readers is to give them a headache. Lastly, you may have looked at the word and discussed and skipped it altogether. However, when you skip words, you may lose the meaning of the sentences. As a result, you might misunderstand the point of what you are reading. Because of this, you may have to read the whole passage again in hopes of getting a better understanding, and that's bad. One way to help solve the problem of words you do not know is by looking at the words in their context. This means that you read the word to see how it fits into the rest of the passage or sentence. Context refers to the words and phrases that surround the word and how they relate to each other. You can use context clues to achieve better understanding. These clues are the information and ideas that surround a word you do not know and suggest to you the meaning of the unknown word. This information gives you a clue to the meaning of a word. By using context clues, you try to guess the meaning of the word by the way it is used in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, we had a meager meal because we had very little food in the house. In this sentence, it becomes obvious that the word meager means little or small quantity. We know this because the sentence gives some additional information that says there isn't much food in the house. Since there isn't much food in the house, it suggests that the meal would not be very big. There are several common types of context clues which we will describe later on. The first is clues of direct definition. Second is clues of comparison and contrast. And the third is clues of information.